Hello everyone, this is James Akpo over here. I am here to introduce you to the new iSenseHUB dashboard. We have revamped the platform with new tools, new look, and new feel, and I'm here to show you how to navigate the platform. So let's quickly jump into it. I personally like working in the dark mode, but right now I am on the light skin mode, so I can quickly just click on this icon here, and then I get into the dark mode, which is where I like it. I mean, just a personal preference. So you can actually continue to work in the light mode or come onto the dark mode. So that being said, on your dashboard, you will see the credits that you have depending upon the subscriptions that you have. You will see the amount of tokens that you have for word generation and also for email generation. So please be mindful of that. And as it is going down, you will know that probably you're using more credit or you will need to upgrade your plan or something. But I have the unlimited plan, so I don't have to worry myself about that. That being said, on your dashboard, if you want to do changes, right, this is where you can actually do settings. So for the plans that you have right now, let's say you have signed up to one of the paid plans, which is what I will encourage you to do, because that is where you get the best AI models for the things that you want to write or produce. So if you were to go to the plan, it opens and then you see the plan that you're currently subscribed onto, right? I have the unlimited, so it doesn't show specifically which plan I'm subscribed to. But if you were to log onto your iSenseHUB and get onto your dashboard, if you have a plan, it will be showing over here, and you can actually upgrade right from here as well. Let's move to the next feature, which is the order. So if you have monthly subscription, your order tab will show you all the plans that you're paying for each month. Okay, so every month, whatever your subscription is that you're paying, depending upon the plan that you subscribe to, you will see it right here. And then the next one is your settings, where you'll be able to choose an avatar as a picture for yourself. You'll be able to change your password if you want to. If you want to update your address and things like that, you can do that also here. So that is just a quick review of your profile settings, and it's right here where your name is. You have the options over here. Let's jump to the next thing that I want to show you on the dashboard, which is the Documents tab. It is a unique feature on iSenseHUB that helps you organize the works that you've been doing. So I've worked on this document, and let's say I have specific tasks. Let's say I've been writing about our created content about social media. So I want to create a file or a folder for social media where I will put all the works that I've done or all the things that I've generated related to social media. I want to put those over there. I can just click here and create a folder, right? Click here. Let's say I say social media. So I have created a new folder, which is over here. And I can move the works that I've done here. I can move them onto the folder. This just helps you organize your work. Remember, this is a productivity platform, and most people use this for a lot of things. So if you're creating a marketing copy, probably you might want to have a folder for marketing or social media, as I said over here, and some other brand strategies. You can create as many folders as you want. And if you want to move files onto your folder, you just click on the dot over here under the document. Remember, this is where we are. We are under the document tab. So just click here, and then you can actually move this onto a folder. Right now, I only have one folder, so that is what it's showing. If I have multiple folders, I have the option to choose which folder I want to move it to. So if I want to move it here, I'll just have to say move. I don't want to move it right now, so I just click on this, but I'll cancel from here. This is what you can do at on your dashboard. Also on your dashboard, you get to select your favorite tools that you like working on, or if you have a document that you love working on, you can click the star over here, and then it gets added to your favorite. Also on the document tab, it tells you the tool that you actually use to generate the document. So it is telling me that for this, I actually use the strategy to generate that document. And it tells me the number of tokens that I've used. So it is right here. Everything is clear, no cheating, everything is clear and concise. You can see it here, the tokens that you use for each content that you generated, you can see it right here. I hope this helps you, and I'm going to be jumping onto the other tools, and I'll be preparing the tutorials for the other tools, but this is just a quick overview of your dashboard and the documents tab. Thank you very much. Let's proceed to the next one, which probably is going to be the AI editor. See you in the next video.